Depositphotos Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the Depositphotos Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll walk you through my experience with Depositphotos Affiliate Program, breaking down its features, the kind of audience it's ideal for, and why you should consider promoting it. Be sure to check out the links to the program in the description below if you're ready to dive in. Depositphotos is one of the leading stock photo platforms, offering millions of high-quality images, videos, and vectors. It's trusted by creatives, businesses, marketers, and agencies worldwide for affordable, royalty-free visual content. With its massive library and user-friendly interface, it's no wonder it has a solid following in the content creation and marketing communities. Now, let's talk about the Depositphotos Affiliate Program. The program is simple to join and gives you the chance to earn commissions by promoting Depositphotos' stock media services. When you sign up as an affiliate, you'll receive access to unique affiliate links and banners that can be shared across your website, blog, social media channels, or email campaigns. The commission structure is competitive, offering up to $200 per sale, based on the type of subscription or purchase made. For example, if someone purchases a subscription or credits, you'll earn a percentage of the transaction. The payouts are made on a monthly basis, and the program also features a tiered commission structure, allowing you to increase your earnings as you bring in more conversions. One of the best aspects of the Depositphotos affiliate program is its user-friendly dashboard, which allows you to easily track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Additionally, the 30-day cookie duration means you'll earn commissions from purchases made within a month of a click. This is great for long-term engagement and higher chances of earning, especially if you have recurring content. So, who is the Depositphotos affiliate program ideal for? If you're a content creator, blogger, digital marketer, web designer, or social media influencer who regularly works with visuals, this program is a perfect fit. The platform's content is in high demand across many industries, making it easy to promote and monetize. To wrap up, the Depositphotos affiliate program is a solid option for anyone looking to promote high-quality stock media while earning competitive commissions. Its ease of use, great content selection, and solid payouts make it a great affiliate program to consider. If you're ready to start earning, check out the links in the description below and sign up today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.